real value from a Pearson perspective is actually getting to spend time with these very creative, very talented individuals. We actually learn as much from the students in terms of what actually is relevant in education, and what the student actually brings to the table is where technology meets product through the notion of this concept that we actually call an API.
For the Pearson Student Coding Contest, I built an application called LightPath. For me as a college student, my constant challenge, my goal is how can I learn more effectively, how can I retain more information. So light bulb moment is a phrase that we hear a lot. It's basically when a concept clicks. My whole application is built on the idea that those moments are so precious and so valuable for your learning. And when that concept clicks, that moment needs to be preserved. Coding is another medium for innovation. It's another way to take something that you have conceptually and bring it to fruition.
My app, the Mint app, is a financial essay editor that's supposed to simplify the creation of new essays. IDEs help me program much more efficiently. Why not use something to help me write essays much more efficiently? So that's when I came up with the Mint app idea. The goal of the app is just to remove as much clutter as possible and have people focusing on getting the ideas in their mind onto the essay. Seeing the many avenues the project could take in the world was just incredible. In 2 words, coding is creating amazingness.
My team and I created the application ClassMap. ClassMap is a collaborative mind mapping application. ClassMap uses mnemonic devices. These devices are keywords, images, and video. They're designed to be easily recognizable, easily retainable, and so a student can visualize and study more effectively. Coding is a way to express yourself. It's a way to turn thoughts and ideas into reality.
In this year's coding contest, we really strive to get a very broad set of judges.
We used 4 criteria when we were evaluating each of the projects. We first looked at how well you were addressing a market problem. Number 2 was the market potential that your app had. Number 3 was your presentation quality. A really big part is the in-person piece. And finally, the product technology itself, the APIs that you use, the choices that you made, and how successful it was. I think we have a clear winner.
That's a no-brainer.
And the winner of this year's competition is LightPath. Congratulations.
I just started coding 5 months ago, and so being a winner of a national coding contest, of Pearson's National Student Coding Contest, is amazing and really beyond anything I could have hoped for.
I'm really heartened today to see there's female participation in the coding contest and that her product was excellent and she won based on the quality of her own work and on her own merits.
It's really impressive to see someone at the college level be able to stand up, create this application on their own, and pitch it with confidence. And she stood far and away in front of the others with that confidence and a really, really strong technology.
I really feel this year is probably the first time we've been able to bring all of these different aspects to bear in terms of actually determining, who met all of this different criteria and building an application that in a Pearson terminology could be considered efficacious.